Yeah.
Alright.
Hands in the
Hands in
air.
the air.
Hands
Hands
up.
up.
Take a swig of your beer.
Take a swig of the beer.
And away we go to my right. Vroom, vroom, vroom,
Brew.
Vroom, vroom,
vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom,
vroom, beep, beep.
vroom.
Boat to Discovery Bay. Thank you. Made it with 1 minute to spare. Got on the ferry to Discovery Bay. Made it to Discovery Bay. Time to go meet Paul. Time to go meet Peter Paul, the new Couchsurfer. Arrived. This is Peter, my Couchsurf host. Just taking some coffee right now on this beautiful balcony.
There's Prince Edward and the Buddhist temples at Diamond Hill.
Hey, we just got a new Couchsurfer. What's your name, man?
I mean,
Thomas. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to have time. Even my friend. I mean, in the centre of the city, everybody's very busy and they will not stop to say hello. But if you go out hiking and meet somebody on the trail, everybody always wants to stop and talk.
Peter hooked it up with the sick mattress, towel, got the charging station over there, and of course, best part of all this view. Back on the ferry, said bye to Amin and Peter for now. I'm gonna link up with Michael. We're gonna check out the bird market. We didn't get the chance to fully check out tomorrow. Maybe hit up Aberdeen and check out the floating restaurant boat, and then also go to the ladies market so Michael can snag some figurines and maybe I can get a hat. At the bird market with Michael right now.
Hey guys.
Yay.
Really?
Hello. Walking through this alley to get out. It's faster than the main road because it was so busy.
Really hungry.
She gave Michael like an insane amount.
That's insane.
Oh my god. So much. It's like heavy. Noodles in a bag. This is true eating on the go.
It was autumn,
Yeah.
so
All right, we see our destination. Just gotta figure out how to get there. Whoa. All right, and that's the ferry to get over there. We're
nearly all the animals that live in our forest.
All right, we are saying goodbye to the Jumbo Floating Restaurant. Right, currently checking out the ladies' market. Tons of cool knickknacks. Like this guy. I mean, the One Piece fanboys we are. Checking out all these sick figures right here. Oh, y'all know Shin-Chan though, right? Boom. So low-key Jasmine is looking thick. Found these sick hats that I've been looking for everywhere. But I don't quite like this label in the back, but I'm gonna keep looking around. That's sick.
And when you're at home, the same earphones. That's very cool.
400 games. So just like. Oh, here?
I think you have to slide sideways.
Oh my god. My boy just sealed the deal right here.
Thank you.
Spotted these and I decided they're magnets. I just snagged some for Thomas and I. Coolest power bank ever.
Imagine.
Gotta catch them all.
It's like
Legendary. Orange is an incense holder. What?
Sorry, I was I supposed to be in it?
Yes. All right. Forgot to talk about it at the market, but I've been looking for one of these hats forever. There was a super nice lady. It's a no-gram. So got it for. I just shot out with 30, and she was like 50, and I was like 40. Bam! It was super easy, super simple. Literally just came up with a whole platter of beer. This is big.
达拉斯，美国。
你是美国哪里？
达拉斯。
Dallas, and Texas. The coast in the moon, eh? Yeah. Stuttgart.
Stuttgart, yeah.
This place is incredible. This place is absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
Within 5 minutes of walking in.
We met that many people and we talked. I don't know.
They're from Germany, right?
They're from Germany. We have people from the States behind us. And yeah, the owner is incredible.
This guy right here. Mr. Wong. No!
Yeah, but we didn't like plan to be in Hong Kong at the same time. We just happened to be in Hong Kong at the same time.
Awesome. Yeah, cool.
Nice. So apparently Mr. Wong gave them this freaking rum and they couldn't finish, so they hooked us up. Josh is gonna take first kill. Cheers. Cheers. Huge flurry of activity now. Our thing is basically full. Like, this is ridiculous. They invited us over. We're gonna play. What's the game called?
Radiohead.
Radiohead.
Cool. Josh. Perfect. Okay. Then you can throw in this 3 actions. The first one is beep beep, and that changes direction. So now I go beep beep.
Vroom.
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 Sorry. I was like,
Honk.
Saying goodbye right now to all the homies. We're gonna link up tomorrow for the Big Buddha.
Big Buddha!
Big Buddha!